What's up guys, welcome to new Unreal Engine 5 video. Today I bring you an incredible opportunity that you simply can't miss. BP Systems has just launched a massive sale on all his Unreal assets, where they are all with a discount of 50%. But this is only for a limited time. This sale will end on June 17th, so go quick. His assets include Combat Fury, Bullet Hell Pro, Dodge Component, and many more. You can get them right now through the affiliate link in the description and using the coupon code GORKABP in all caps. And you'll also gain access to them on your Epic Games launcher from the Gumroad page. I have actually covered Combat Fury and Bullet Hell Pro in the past and you guys loved it. So let's look at a demo of Combat Fury. This demo that you're seeing right now was entirely made using Combat Fury. Combat Fury is a full-fledged combat system including parrying, dodging, enemy AI, and various combat mechanics. You can pretty much create any combat system and style that you want, as you can see. Right now this asset is with 50% of discount, so check it out right now. Not only that, but we also have Bullet Hell Pro. This asset provides a straightforward method to spawn various projectile patterns. The component comes with 5 projectile modes that you can customize for your ranged combat. Right now I'm running this demo and it looks spectacular. I can imagine all the cool sci-fi games and boss fights coming from this asset. Again, right now this asset is with 50% of discount. And you have 6 more that you can get, including the Stickman, a simple rig for a Stickman character, Hitbox Component, where you can set hit detection for each animation and alternate between different sockets, Dodge Component, which provides an easy and responsive setup for directional dodging system, Hitbox Reaction, which is a 2-in-1 product combining Hitbox Component with a hit reaction system, Parry Attack System, which will offer you an easy solution and a powerful tool to craft your own parry style for your project, and Easy Combo Buffering for Unreal Engine, where it will let your players send an input for a move before the last execution is finished. This asset will allow you to build your dream combat game without any doubt. With that said, click the affiliate link in the description and use the coupon code GORKABP in all caps to get this for 50% off. Remember that this is only for a limited time. The sale will end on June 17th. So that's it guys, if you found this video interesting, I would really appreciate it if you could like the video and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of Unreal Engine 5 videos and tutorials, so check them out. Join my Discord server, follow me on socials. Now yes, we feel all set. Bye bye.